In this video, we are going to create a sticky header while scrolling inside this div block. Make sure the heading should stick in the top level of this container. So the output will be like heading 1 will be stick in the top of the scroll block. We scroll it, heading 2 will be stick there, and heading 3, heading 4, and same if we scroll so heading 3 and heading 2 and heading 1 will be displayed. Let's start writing the code base. I'm adding a div block here. Let's add the div block. So which was the we are going to use this div as the outer of the container block. Let's add the class name class equal to scroll block. Let's add inside the div we are going to add one more div. Let's add the class name content block. Okay, so we have created the scroll block and content block. Let's add the content inside this content block div. Let's search in the dummy content in the Google. Go to the site and copy this content and paste it inside the paragraph tag, the tag. Let's paste it. Let's save. Let's see. So we have got the content. Let's design the scroll bar first. Let's reset the browser default values using the star global selector, star margin 0. Sorry, star margin 0, padding 0, border none, outline none. Let's add the background color to the body tag. Let's add the body tag. Add background color as white. Save it. Let's copy this class name scroll block and add into the app.css file. Let's add the width of this container, this content. Let's add the width. So I'm going to use the max width 350 pixel. Let's save it. Let's move it to the center using the margin 0 auto. Margin 0 auto. Let's save it. The content got to move to the center of the window. Let's add the top space of the margin. Margin top 30 pixel and bottom 30 pixel, left and right auto. Let's increase the width of the container. Add 550 pixel. We have got this. So let's add the some background and body border color of this scroll block. Let's add background hash fe. Let's save it. Let's add the border radius 4 pixel. And let's add the box shadow. Box shadow 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 30 pixel, 0 pixel. And let's add the color finally. RGBA 31, 31, 38, 45, and finally opacity 10%. Let's save it. The box shadow we are not showing here, right? Let's add the padding inside this scroll block. Padding 30 pixel. Let's use it on the all side. Let's add the more content inside this scroll block. Let's duplicate the content which we copied and we already added in the HTML file, right? Let's duplicate the content. Let's save it. So we have got the content, right? Let's add the scroll bar for this container. Let's add the max height 400 pixel. Let's save it. And let's add the scroll bar using the overflow property. Save it. So we have got the scroll bar inside this scroll bar container. Let's add the some space in between the paragraphs with the para. Let's add the para, margin bottom 30 pixel, save it, and let's increase the font size as well, 16 pixel. The box shadow is not applying properly, so here we need to add a space, comma, 31, 38. Let's save it, and we are able to see the box shadow now. Let's add the heading in between this paragraph. Go to the HTML file. Let's add the heading here. Started. Let's add a h2 tag, heading 1. Let's copy this heading. Let's paste it. Let's change it to the heading 2. Let's add here heading 3, and let's add more headings, 4 and 5. Let's copy this content. Let's copy and paste in between the heading tags. Let's save it. Now we have got this HTML content, right? So when we when we scroll inside this scroll block, the headings are moving, right? It is not sticking there. Let's scroll it. It's moving. Let's add the CSS for the heading to make it headings are sticky. Let's add the CSS for that using the h2 element tag, h2 position sticky. So we have added the position sticky, but still the headings are moving inside this container, right? So for that we need to add the position properties, top 0. Let's add the top 0 pixel, and so we have added the top 0 pixel, and the headings are sticking here fine. So there is some still in the top space here we are seeing, right? Let's move the headings to the top level. Let's add the minus 30 pixel to move it. Let's save it. The positions got the headings got moved to the top level, and we are seeing the content is getting overlapped, right? For that, let's add the background color white for this heading, and now we are able to see the headings are looking fine. So if we scroll it, right, heading 3, heading 2, and heading 1. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.